Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Didi. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you hands-on on my thoughts on the new Tamron 70-180 Di3 VXD. Oh my god, that's a mouthful, but yeah, that's what it's called. Okay, so being a Tamron Pro Team member here in Singapore, I was actually very lucky to have my hands on the new lens before it's going on for sale. Currently it's in pre-order, so maybe after this video it might actually help you to, you know, whether you want to get this lens, whether this lens is for you. Stay on the video. So the couple of things that I've actually found out when I actually took it out of the box, it's definitely one, it's very chunky, as you can see. But it actually just weighs of 810 grams, which is, you know, I had on other lenses which are heavier than this. The build, it's the same. It has the same build, and the great thing about all these three lenses, what they have in common is they have a common 67mm filter thread. So which actually means I just have to buy one very good variable ND filter, which I will only use variable ND filter, and I can actually just mix and match with the rest of the Tamron lenses that I actually have. So that's a deal breaker. I'm not going to do any comparison. I'm just going to share with you on how I would actually use this lens and whether it's going to be useful for what I do in my photo career. Alright, so this is how it will actually look like. It's not very big when it's mounted, right? And this is the full extension on how it's gonna look like when you have it extended all the way to 180. I think this would be a very good lens for me to, you know, just hide and not let people see that, you know, that I'm actually taking their photos. I can actually be from far. Alright, and also due to this COVID-19 circuit breaker breakdown, lockdown in Singapore. Okay, alright, come on. I'm trying to do a video here, you know. Can you go down? I'll see you later. Okay. I won't be able to actually go out and make full use of this lens, which I really hope that I had the opportunity to. But what I'll do is, maybe in a while I'll be going out for dinner. Maybe I'll just share with you some photos. If I'm able to vlog along the way, yes, I will do. But if it's not possible, then most probably I will share with you the images on what I've captured and share with you my thoughts. Till later, take care, see you. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we are going out to buy dinner, and then we'll take some photos and videos. Always have your mask on. If you cannot hear me, I do apologize, but this is the best I can do. Follow the rules. Alright. So I really think that if you actually practice social distancing, you know, practice whatever it is that, you know, sanitize your hand and stuff, wear a mask, which is so compulsory now, then it will be good. Let's see what kind of images we're gonna have later, okay? Okay, so we are now at Spice, and I'm actually waiting for my food order. Probably I'm gonna test some shots over here. See? I don't know if you can hear me again, but it was so weird, you know, vlogging there. It's because with the current situation, everybody's looking at me, I'll be like, okay, better be socially responsible. Then, you know, so I just decided to grab my food, go back home. Most probably I will try and see if there's something I can shoot at home also as well, and share with you my reviews. Hold on. Assalamualaikum. Siapa dah bangun? Alright guys, so I got all the footage here. So I'm gonna load it into my trusty MacBook. I'm gonna start editing and then let's see what we have from here. Okay? Alright, so I just finished editing some of the pictures, but you know, there are certain photos which I actually took in the afternoon earlier when I was out for lunch. So the first photo is definitely I'm going to share with you is this spice chef packing up the food. I think it's pretty cool knowing like I was actually quite far away from him, and then also the staff handing over the food. I think also because I wouldn't want to go right into their faces and, you know, take their photo. And just take a look at the background blur. And every shot I took it's at aperture 2.8, which definitely is the reason why we would want to get the fastest lens possible. So we're just testing out everything at 2.8. The rest of the photos, like, you know, the no smoking signs, just look at how much the focus is on the particular subject and isolating it from the background. And definitely, you know, more and more pictures. Okay, for you guys who are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will actually really help me a lot. It motivates me every time I see a subscriber that not subscribed. You know, it makes me feel pressured in a good way, so that I will motivate myself to do more videos, something like tech reviews, and sometimes I just do like social vlogs and also interviews as well. So if you are new here, please do consider to subscribe the channel, and definitely I will see you in the next video. Take care, peace.